Wendy, can I help you?
How's it going? I'll just get a pretzel bun Baconator. About $9 for the burger, so not crazy high, but let's see how the quality is. Already big no-no. It's just soggy as all hell. Pretty good patty size. Pretzel bun, but it has no texture to it at all. It needs a lot of salt too. It's like very bland. We got this in the bag. First step of this, we're gonna make some actually good pretzel buns. Those Wendy buns were just completely flavorless, soggy as all get out, so we can do better than that. Following the recipe on that card, we're just gonna be making some regular old buns. If you made burger buns before, it's this pretty similar ratio of ingredients. It's just at the very end, you're gonna boil them like pretzels. Mix it until it's a shaggy dough is formed. You need to let it rest, do some stretch and folds. In this case, I just kneaded it until I got my gluten development. Until you get a nice smooth ball, drop into another covered bowl, rest for about an hour till it doubled in size. Separate out into 4 equal pieces. Then we're gonna flatten these out and fold up into a nice tight ball for their final shape onto a parchment covered baking sheet. Then when I put these on the baking sheet, I like to flatten them out pretty hard. If you don't flatten them out, they'll want to rise straight up, so you end up with a really tall bun. Sometimes there's a crease on the bottom end. Just tuck it in, drop it on the bottom, press them nice and hard down, cover it up for about another hour. I do about 3 tablespoons into a large pot of water, boil them for about 30 seconds each side, flip them out. They'll enlarge a little bit and they get really wrinkly, but don't worry. Score with a knife or scissors as you like. Yeah, it's like to sprinkle a little bit of kosher salt on top. We're going to bake until nice and golden brown, going off the recipe in the description. Watch this beautiful B-roll. Never gets old. Let's take these out. Going to make some bacon jam to go along with this bacon burger. So cut up a lot of bacon. We're going to render most of the fat down in this. Then we're going to drop in some onions, garlic, and drop in some more honey and brown sugar to a nice little glaze is formed. I got some leftover fermented honey. Just dropped it in. Use regular honey. More sugar, whatever you prefer. Fry up some extra pieces of bacon for some crunchiness. Slice up our pretzel buns. Throwing in some homemade ground brisket burgers. Toast those buns, get the burgers cooked the way you like. Then we're going to drop some American and Munster cheese on. Got to have that American in any good cheeseburger. Bacon jam, I'm going to go heavy with all condiments right here. So ketchup, then we're going to do a little bit of mustard and mayo. Probably will go a little overboard on the sauces. I'll go a little lighter next time. So homemade pickled jalapenos. I like the heat. Drop in your extra crispy bacon bits. I'm going to drop on your brisket burger, the cheese on top, more bacon, drop on your other patty. This burger is a little comically large. I'm just going to do 1 patty next time. This is the first time I ever actually had to use a skewer to hold anything together. I will be able to eat this. It is just a little comically large, but you can't deny that it looks like a delicious burger if I can get my mouth around it. Let's see if we can do it. That's a big looking burger. This is the first burger I've ever had to actually use a skewer through, so a little bit too big. Next time if I use those 6 ounces, I'm gonna smash them and do it this way, but really good. American cheese, Munster, pretzel bun. Let's give it a bite. Pretzel bun is just way better. It has a real nice chewing texture to it. The Wendy's bun just kind of disintegrated with all the juices from the burger. Everything's really well seasoned. That bacon gem is awesome. The pickled jalapenos give some nice acid and heat to it. This is really good. The only thing I'd probably tweak on it, if I'm doing these 6 ounces like that, I would either smash both of them really thin or I would just do a single. Damn good burger. If you like these kind of videos, like, comment, subscribe for more. We'll see you next time.